If you're doing business in 2021 and on, and you're not online, then what are you doing? And if you are online, then you need to be able to harness the power of data and analytics. So there is so much information, and we are able to track and use this information in ways that we have never been able to before. So we can use really strong data sets to inform our information to create outcomes that are much more predictable than what we have ever been able to do before. So hedging our bets now as entrepreneurs and as business owners, we are not risk takers. We generally do our homework really well, and we take action where there is a big opportunity for growth and development, and there's a big payoff then at the end of that, either in the implementation actually working out as we expect and maybe getting the returns in currency or social returns, but also just in the information and the know-how and the skill returns is really valuable. So I just wanted to look at another tool that might assist you in creating actionable data that you can then implement to effectively promote and run your business, your marketing campaigns. So the tool that we're just going to explore is Growth Channel, and let's just go and do that now. So here we are over at Growth Channel, and basically they have two kind of sides to their offerings here. They have the plan side where you can do market analysis, so a competitor analysis. You can look at where you are. You can then you can use that data to do personas to find your ideal customers, and then you can use that information to create quality content that will speak to the need of your clients as defined by what's actually going on. Then it'll give, with the content, it'll give you the ability to use it in defined tactics. So you're not just writing aimlessly, you're writing and creating content that can be used in a succinct marketing tactic based on your data, moving through and creating personas with that data, creating then copy that fit the tactics that will help you in the connecting and adding value to your clients. On the other side, they have the activate side. So this is where we can then use their tool to help us in implementing the tactics that we have found through the data. So you can connect your social media accounts and ad accounts here so that you can run ads. Then you can use your pixels to retarget, and they'll help you. This software tool will help you in that retargeting effort and in narrowing down and improving your performance by looking at the data and adapting. Then by getting that feedback, you'll be able to get these custom audiences that fit exactly with your personas that you have generated out, and then you will be able to optimize the ads and A/B test kind of thing to improve the conversions or the outcomes. So that's it in a nutshell. So once we log in, we will come into our workspaces. At the moment, I am on a free tier, and you can go on this free tier as well. It's free forever tier, I believe. So when we go into plan, they have all the different options over on the left here. We can click on marketing plan, and this is where they will create a marketing plan for you for $500. So it's not a part of this free plan, but there is where they will create your marketing plan for you. Then there is personas. So we can use these templates and we can adapt these templates if they're not exactly suitable for our needs, but otherwise we just create a new persona. So we can generate from our analytics, we can use the template, or we can start from scratch. I'll just start from scratch to show you. I don't think in the free plan I can't generate from the analytics as it is, so we'll go from start from scratch and you can just see what happens. So we want to create a new persona. Yep, so it's all here. So name, go, enter role, go business, change our logo if we want here, doesn't matter. Update my picture, do his age, he is 35, enter his company, we can enter his location, he is in USA. We can enter a quote to keep us focused on what this is, so something that would be meaningful to him. Change, there we go, knowledge, hi, market developer. We can put in tags for him to help us track. There we go, we can put in some tags, we can put in a quick bio. Okay, and then we can put in his pain points. So this is business. Oh, so we can change the title of this too, yeah? So I don't want to change that, I want to change here. Okay, so do that. We do undo this, so we can say, so that doesn't seem to be working great. No, let's see, we want to change that back to pain points. Okay, I don't know how to edit this. There we go. So it was just me clicking around in the wrong spot. So you can just double click on that. So you can see where we can easily do this. So we can go through, put him on, so generate for. So then I can create, a content for this. Some of these ads, blog title, email subject, landing page, slogans, and taglines can all be created once we give them a short information. Let's go back to our personas, and here is one that we just did. So we can go back into here. So we can add it more, our ad targeting, how we would target for him. We can then export this out as a PDF. Let's see what that looks like. So they do have ability to white label this in other their plans, but we'll go through their plans and their pricing after we check it out a little bit more. Or actually, the way that this is going, it's taking a bit to load, so maybe we will go on and see what else we can do. Basically, everyone, if you just go to their growth channel website and their website audit, you put in your website that you want to audit and an email, so basically their lead gen to get you on their email list, and they will then run a complete audit on your website. So this is what then it will come out. It will open up in a new tab and they'll give you your audit results. So they'll give you a rating and recommendations where you can do better. I'll give you a performance metric looking at your SEO, your links, usability, performance, and your social media presence. It'll give you then recommendations on how you can improve these different areas: links, SEO, performance, and social. So it'll give you what you can do here: execute a link building strategy, high priority, and you can work your way down to then on page SEO results. So it gives you a score, then tells you how you can do better. Look at these crosses, I can fix that and improve that. I can improve my word consistency, I can use my phrase consistency, I can put attributes on my pictures, and I can create a robots text and site maps, and install analytics on here and get a structured schema for my page to help it improve in the search engine's ability to pick it up and understand what the page is and what it's about, so they can link it with search user intention. Then it shows me my top ranking keyword, It then shows me my monthly traffic and keywords positions. It shows me a number of backlinks, gives me my domain authority, and it gives me some of the backlinks that I'm getting. It gives me usability score, shows me the different renderings on devices. It says whether or not it goes through our core web vitals, and just make sure that they're all good. And since my performance is good, I don't have to do anything, but it'll give you the same thing. Your site performance, the server sites, your loads for sites, your script size, your overall web page size. So this is my page breakdown of what's loading. So number of resources on the page. It's showing then the technology that I have, whether or not I got APMPs, that's the Google Accelerated Mobile Pages, JavaScript errors, and optimized images, minification of code. So this will then help us to increase our performance on our website. Socially, how much we got Facebook connected, Facebook Pixel installed, Twitter connected, Twitter activity, LinkedIn connected. So it doesn't have a big social aspect, I guess, with lots of different channels. Technology results, so where the DNS servers, for Cloudflare, using connections with Facebook, using Font Awesome and Google Font API. It then tells you the DNS server, that DNS servers that are being used for this website. Oh, that finished downloading, so we can have a look at what that looks like. Personas, see? Okay, cool. So that's pretty much just the picture that we had. So that's great. It would be good if these images here in the PDF that they generated were not there, or could all fit up onto make it a nice one page. And then this is the website audit that you can just save off as a PDF on it, so it doesn't have all same display. It's been kind of messed up, the formatting in this when I've saved it off, but that's just the free website audit. So if we go back to here, we can keep moving down, so we can go tactics, so we can plug in what it is that your business does, what it is that who it is that you're after, and then it will give you considerations on how your website layout, copy, different blocks and formatting that you can do to improve your website. It'll give you some other tools that then from your technology scan that it can recommend. So it's linking the data that it's getting, and it is then creating more recommendations and tactics for us, so that we can export as a PDF as well. And that just goes into the save. So it's just using the save as, but we can save that off. Alright, so if we go back to tactics, I'll show you how it got to that. So let's go save that off. And let's go back to tactics, and we'll do remember me growth tactics. We can go here and we get started. And we say what we are. We're a business owner. How to just go about offer. Business training for success. See, that's my landing page. Let's put that in. And what is my primarily service? What is my service contracts? Content engagement. Yep. And what industry do I operate in? Let's see. Let's see. Education. So I can't do both, so we'll just go into education for this. Okay, monthly budget, don't really want to spend much on it. Company name, where am I going to target? Can target America. What am I targeting? Business customers. Okay, so age, function, see. It's basically most of these will be fine. Probably someone who's not doing. Okay, I'm just going to go, it doesn't matter for this. And what is the demographics? Doesn't matter for this. Still doesn't matter. Does it say yeah, so technical skills, we're just going to write in. So communication, verbal communication. So again, verbal communication, basic administration. Yep, that's basically it. Next go. Doesn't matter. Company size doesn't matter, but actually we're targeting these size companies, and in the industry it doesn't matter. Okay, my main competitor is this space. Just go. I have to look up my competitor, and then they give you some recommendations. You can click the recommendations, or you can click on the other options. So which step of the marketing funnel do you want to build this plan for? And we want to do it trigger and awareness and consideration. Yep, I'm going to do all those three. Engagement rate. Yep, we definitely want to do engagement rate. Website visits, can't do both, so we're going to do engagement rate. So I can do all three of these again and add more, and I can add any more information. Let's put in any other offers, yes or no, and then we just have a look at our submission. Proceed to submit, and then it gives us now pricing, so we won't be able to get on this, but here we can now go into their pricing and have a look. So full marketing plan, like we were looking at before, 400, and then if you want to go into their management, if you want one of their team to manage your ads for you, it's $4.99 a month for that as well. So these are their memberships, so there's a bit of a savings if you go and pay it manually, but if you're paying it monthly, there is 4 options. The free tier, which we are currently logged in as, the startup, pro, and enterprise. So the differences then on the free is that then we cannot generate personas from the analytics, and we can't do competitor analysis. We get 10 daily credits for content writing, and we can have up to 3 users. We can have an advertising spend up to $10,000, and then the other ones are paid additions as well. So then we have the pro plan, which is 10 users, 20 credits, AI credits, up to $100,000, and then your managed service goes up to $2,499 a month, and then you have a complete custom plan and unlimited credits, users, and advertising spend. And so this is their monthly costs. But what I am looking at for me personally is in here they have their pricing, but then they have memberships. So their monthly pricing is what we just looked at, but then in their memberships, they have yearly memberships. So they have that free membership, and they have then a membership, which is all the free plus then competitor analytics, so competitor analysis, website audit, personal growth marketing tactics, and generate personas from the analytics, 1 consultancy call a year, an AI content writer, full marketing plan as add-on, so still just the add-on pay for the $4.99. And then they got a marketer, which has even more, so it's again the unlimited, and then a white label, so you can get on clients and a dedicated account manager. So this monthly plan is great for me. I think this is 3 competitor. Let's go back to here. Doesn't have us thing. It's kind of weird that they have like a pricing monthly plan and then this like membership stuff as well. I think that's pretty confusing, and they should just focus on one area or another, because I feel that people not really understanding clearly what is the differences and why is there differences. All right, because then this one startup is $100.99 a month. So what would be the difference between getting a $99 a month and your member? And the only thing that I can see that would be different is this: you don't have access to their ad platform. So when we were going through before and we were saying that it can be broken down into 2, plan and activate, I'm pretty sure then that your activate side you don't have any access to for saving of 1100. So 1,000, if it's $1,100 a year more to be able to run your ads through this service. So there might be other services like Dailify that also does that. I'll put a link in the description that runs ads through, and the other ads platforms that can help you in this kind of way. So that's why then for $100, just being able to get all the plan side and save the other $1,100 and see if there's another more suitable one for you. That's what I am thinking of doing anyway, because they've currently got a deal on, and that's why I'm really interested in this tool and seeing how it might be of use for me. So the other thing that we haven't looked at is then if we go down, so we don't have any access to the Activate unless we go into these monthly subscriptions. So I'm not going to look at that today. And we can look at our progress. So go into Home, and we can then look through this, and it'll kind of like direct us and help us in what to do in our marketing. So we got, that's if we were ordered a marketing plan, it would have our status here. Our marketing tactics can be seen here. So that's again giving us recommendations and ideas based on our analytics. And we can just go through and we can see different options. Then we can see quickly our analytics that we have, a quick snapshot, and that's what we got. So they've got consultations that you can do with them. You can buy marketing plans from them. You can join their growth community. So that is a LinkedIn group that currently has 809 members in it. Let's see. All right, let's move on. So, sorry, before we move on, we want to show you how they got a public roadmap, and they don't have this here. You'd link your social profile. Anyway, so this is setting up your account here, and then they're asking for feedback on a review site, but they also have their own roadmap, which you can get to just down the bottom of their page. They got a roadmap here, and they've also got then your affiliates if you're interested in sharing your benefits that you're getting with using Growth Channel with friends and family or other business owners, then they will reward you. So this is their roadmap of what they are doing. So they're planning on doing a weekly content considerations for you, doing an improved dashboard, shorter intake form to generate the recommendations, and CNAME or embed, so that with the white labeling you can have it on your own domain name. Under consideration is adding in competitors to look at easier, integrations with API, automation, webhook tool, Pabbly, being able to edit the generated content, being able to create personas from different sources. So for example, being able to link LinkedIn sources to be able to create a persona, or link your Facebook pages. So being able to use your Google Analytics and other sources to be able to create more accurate personas. I think that is a real interesting space to watch. If we can get the actual personas of the people already and check what they're doing, it'll save so much time in terms of our market research. So being able to bookmark favorite resources. So you can jump on here and you can have a say in how this tool is developing. That's always amazing. So you can get your affiliate link too, and it's 20% on all payments. So it's pretty attractive at that, just to share if you're appreciating this. Let's go back now here. So that's the home. Next is our analytics. So this just takes what you're getting from Google Analytics, and it just makes it easier, clearer to see. So nice and simple view. You can expand these so you can see all of them just by clicking view all right there. Just go back, clicking there, and we can then go between conversions and bounce rate there. Conversions, bounce rates. Okay, our website audit. So this is where you're just going to this web page that we already checked out before. I'm pretty sure everyone can use this. So the free marketing templates, everyone's got access to. AI marketing white paper, community marketing guide, the questions and blogs in growth library. So everyone has access to this. You don't even need to be a member, but they use this as lead generation. So you'll probably be adding in your email to get their continued content emailed to you. Okay, so yep, so that's not even in their screen, it's just there, and you don't have to be logged in even to get this. I think this is already unlimited as it is. So let's see, website audit. So they don't actually have that it's in the free forever plan with the website audit. However, the way that they've currently have it set up on their page is anyone can just come and do unlimited free website auditing. So it's nothing particularly special that you're getting with your membership there. I just want to see, and this is where I think it's a little bit confusing, the membership. And I think having a membership, a yearly membership and a monthly fee is somewhat confusing, because they seem to me like it's basically the same kind of thing. So having it very clear, maybe like the year, you buy the year package and then you upgrade and you spend the extra $10 a month or something for this edition. But the way that it is structured doesn't seem very attractive, unless like this, it's all for this advertising one here. Okay, so let's see, because when we go up here, website audits, yeah, so the free tier has the website audits in it. Also has website optimization alerts already in it. Okay, so then we'll go to library. So in library, we can look at different tools that they would recommend, different templates that they have, template libraries, different case studies, different growth experiments, have best practices. Just want to see. So it's in there free. Everyone gets access to all this stuff. So best practices, educators, agencies, podcasts. So they're compiling some pretty cool resources that make it very easy for us to check out. We can go and we can filter in here so that we can get interesting growth opportunities. And so this is like kind of networking and sussing out and just keeping connected with what's going on around you, what's working, what's not. So that's really cool that they have that, but everyone has access to that. So again, another good reason to go check out Growth Channel is that they have this simple stuff that can be really valuable for you for free. Okay, so then we can go check out our profile, see our plan. We can delete our account here. See, can we edit? What can we edit? We can change. Cool. I like it when I can change my stuff. Cool. And then if you had an account manager, you'd give them access in there. Okay. Now integrations. So this is just where you connect up your Google Analytics team. We can then add in our team members as per our plan. Doesn't have the team over here, so it's like you got to buy then monthly. Close off some of these. Should go buy the yearly to get team. No, okay, yeah. So unlimited users here. This one doesn't say any users. Okay, so I don't know where. So users just in this marketer. So again, like $1,000 to start using this, and then a monthly plan on top. So I'm not sure what they're trying to do. I'm not sure if the pricing then is very clear for me anyway. Because users here, so then you pay. So why wouldn't I be able to pay a year, $99 for the year, then be able to pay $99 a month and have 3 users? So this is then unlimited. So if we went back, then if we bought this $99 a year, we would have unlimited users, but then we could use like unlimited users, and then we could use this one and we'd only have 3 users, but we'd have unlimited users because we paid the $99 for the year. We'd also have unlimited. So I'm not sure how it works. Do you need a yearly and a monthly, or do you just need a monthly? Do you just need a yearly? A growth channel. This is something that I am interested in finding out. Why is your pricing structure seemingly complicated? Okay, let's just keep having a look. So I don't have any team that I want to add in, and community. So they have a Slack and a LinkedIn page that we showed before, and the generate new plan is just that $4.99 marketing plan that they sell you on, or trying to sell you on. It's one of their cool features or benefits for using this. So that is Growth Channel, and that's been all done on free. Now, the only thing that really will make this big difference is I just need to go stop this here, and we're just back with the Growth Channel. So when we were doing these tactic bit here, and we go recommend the tactic, and it has these two here, 26th and 28th, and we click on them, and it just goes through kind of our persona that we were looking for, and gave us some considerations and gave us this information. But then it kind of went off onto, clicked us off. So what happened is then that is your plan request. So then they email you and say, like, just confirm that this is what you're after and make sure that your subscription plan is suitable. I think this is also somewhat silly, because I feel that I was just asking for tactics. I was just asking for this. I wasn't asking for the marketing plan, which I could ask for here. So for me, that's a bit vague as well. I'm not sure. Okay, so here is a video from them and just showing their competitor analysis.
Sends you weekly notifications in terms of what's working on your website, what's not, and what are the best optimization opportunities to help you grow. On top of that, spying on your competitors and identifying different growth resources and opportunities to help you scale your marketing operations. All of that within Growth Channel. I'm happy to be partnering with SaaS Mantra for this special offer for you guys, and hope our top performing organic competitors and really understand analytics for different marketing plans. In our tool, you can also look at competitive analytics for different marketing plans that you have generated with Growth Channel. You can swap between each of your competitors and really understand the granularity of their top performing organic keywords, paid keywords, top pages, landing pages, media publishers, referring domains, backlinks, and the type of ads they're running. All of this data is coming from trustworthy sources. You also get access to your own website analytics.
Okay, so you can see that some of the information that they are going to give us with this, let's just move it. So this is in their competitor analysis. So they got backlinks, traffic, referring domains, the Moz score. They got paid keywords, organic keywords, index pages, published text ads, and so it's interesting to see. So then if we go into something like here, and we go and we just have a look at a comparison on this tool. So let's see, it's giving us our traffic conversion rate, average order. Let's see, so we're getting the Moz rate there. So does it give us any more information than what we're getting in this one? Let's see. So we got paid keywords, so traffic, backlinks, Moz score, referring domains, organic keywords, paid keywords. Let's see. Here we got brand keywords. These are organic keywords. And we got referring domains. Got other competitors here. Let's click down to see their report. Okay, so then we've got their name, their country, their traffic, their revenue, their domain rating, backlinks, brand history in terms of traffic, brand keywords, brand competitors, brand backlinks. Okay, and then it's got some of these other ones. So this doesn't have the same as an ad. So it's not generating an ad information like these paid keywords. Index pages, so this published text. Yeah, I think that's really it. Eh? So that's Growth Channel. Let me know what you think of it, and make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button. And is this a tool that you would use? I don't really get it. I'm trying to see. Really interested in the analytics. Really interested that at the moment I can pretty much get unlimited competitor analysis and website audits, but it looks like anyone can get the website audit, so that's not worth paying for. And so I guess that what I am really looking at is, one, the competitor analysis. Is it better? Is it going to give me something better than what I can get with some of these other tools and this brand analyzer? I think this is so far better. The only thing that's missing is that it doesn't have the paid ads. So if this can add in paid ads, then I think that is better than the growth channels. I think then the other thing that really gets me, that I would be really interested, is the generate personas from analytics. I think that is another amazing feature. And so let me know what you think. What do you think about this? Is there other tools that does this? I'm just very interested to hear what your thinks are. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a beautiful day.